Welcome to our comparison of the Hohem iSteady M6 and the Hohem iSteady V3 gimbals. Today, we'll explore the key features, performance, and pricing of these two popular smartphone stabilizers. Whether you're a vlogger, traveler, or content creator, choosing the right gimbal can make a significant difference in your video quality. Let's dive in. When it comes to pricing, the Hohem iSteady M6 is priced at $209, reflecting its advanced features and build quality. On the other hand, the Hohem iSteady V3 is more affordable at $129, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. It's essential to consider what features are most important to you when evaluating these price points. In terms of payload capacity, the Hohem iSteady M6 can support up to 400 grams, making it suitable for heavier smartphones and accessories. In contrast, the iSteady V3 has a lower payload capacity of 300 grams, which may limit its compatibility with larger devices. This difference is crucial for users who plan to use additional equipment while filming. The Hohem iSteady M6 stands out with its 0.91-inch OLED display and advanced AI tracking capabilities, providing users with a more intuitive filming experience. Meanwhile, the iSteady V3 offers a detachable remote control and an extendable rod, enhancing its portability and ease of use for on-the-go filming. Depending on your filming style, these features may significantly impact your choice. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady M6 and iSteady V3 offer excellent stabilization and features tailored to different user needs. The M6 is ideal for those seeking advanced functionality and higher payload capacity, while the V3 is perfect for those looking for a budget-friendly, portable solution. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.